Do you want to fascinate that person? Have more friends? Or have more customers? Do you want to nail that job interview? First impressions are fundamental, and you only get one chance to make a good first impression, so you must make it count. Please take a moment to click the subscribe button and notification bell so that you will always be notified when we upload a new video. But this time, we'll tell you about the rules no one knows. 6 secret techniques of fatal attraction that nobody has revealed to win with first impressions. Number 1. The pre-reactive smile. If you want to use body language in a unique way, you can make a very powerful first impression on another person. How? Use your smile. Before smiling, look the other person in the face as if you wanted to study it. After this quick analysis, should last about a second, then make a nice smile by continuing to look that person in the eye. The impression you will give is that the smile has come precisely because who you are looking at has impressed you. Number 2. The look. Strong. Another technique that many know is that of eye contact. That is, maintaining eye contact between you and the other person we're interested in. Indeed, when it comes to body language, you know that you should keep eye contact with the other's eyes 70 to 80% of the time. Few, however, know the looking look technique. Yes, you read that right. Stringy, like mozzarella cheese, when it's hot. In practice, the person you are looking at will have to be looked at again, even after he has finished speaking, as if your gaze remains attached, tied by a thin thread, and should come off very slowly. Number 3. The magnetic pupil. Always about eyes. Another method that makes us appear very awake, attentive, and interested is that of active eye contact. You can practice this by trying to count the times when the person you are talking to blinks. In some scientific experiments, experimenters who study body language have found that whoever tries to count the blinks of his interlocutor is a more interesting and attentive person. Therefore, he leaves a much deeper and positive mark as a first impression. Number 4. The poker body. Poker face is the definition that indicates a totally expressionless face of someone who does not want to show anything with his face. Like a poker player. Remember a basic rule. When you speak, what you say is very important. Forget any itchy nose, ear, any desire to move your feet, or scratch your arm. Don't stretch, don't twist. Any movement of this kind will only decrease the strength and effectiveness of the words you are saying. Number 5. Selective attention. When you're in a group and want to leave a winning first impression to one person of this group, focus on him or her. If, for example, the person who is speaking isn't the person that you're interested in, concentrate on them. However, as you focus on them, your gaze will naturally gravitate in the direction of the person who you do want to impress. It's a bit like saying to him or her, "You're the one who interests me," not who is speaking. You are interesting to me. Your body language will transmit this message very strongly in a direct but discreet way. Number 6. The conditioning of "my dear friend." This technique involves inducing yourself in a state of pleasure in meeting with others. In practice, what you need to do is strongly imagine that the person you are meeting is your dear friend, someone with whom you've spent good moments, and that you haven't seen the person in a long time. This self-induction leads to a state of pleasure in social relationships you are having. Your body is positively predisposed, so you will have a more serene and relaxed face, and your whole posture will be positively conditioned by it. If your behavior reflects that of a very friendly person, this is the result you will get from your first impression. A last impression is just as important as the first impression. How's mine? Or, more importantly, how's yours? Enjoyed this video? Hit like, share, and subscribe.